Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, your teacher, your friend. So in today's video, I'll be giving you the extra questions of the chapter Roving on the Red Planet. And the book name is Engaging English Class 5. So let's get started. Question number 1. Who made the announcement of Perseverance landing on Mars? The answer is Dr. Swati Mohan made the announcement of Perseverance landing on Mars. Question number 2. What is Perseverance and what is its mission? So the answer is Perseverance is a spacecraft launched by NASA to explore and gather information about Mars. Its mission is to search for signs of past life on Mars. Question number 3. What did Perseverance send back to Earth within seconds of landing on Mars? Answer. Within seconds of landing on Mars, Perseverance sent back two stunning images of its new home. Question number 4. Who is Dr. Swati Mohan and what was her role in Perseverance landing on Mars? Answer is Dr. Swati Mohan is an Indian American scientist who was in charge of NASA's landing of its Perseverance rover on Mars. Question number 5. How long did Perseverance travel through space before landing on Mars? Answer. Perseverance traveled through space for 7 months before landing on Mars. Question number 6. What is the size of Perseverance and what equipment does it have? So the answer is Perseverance is the size of an SUV and has a robotic arm for picking up and storing rock samples and a heat shield that lets it withstand temperatures up to 1315 degrees centigrade. So in the back exercise of this chapter, Roving on the Red Planet, question number 2, describe what Perseverance looks like. Okay, so the language is different. Describe what Perseverance looks like, and I have framed it in different language, like what is the size of Perseverance and what equipment does it have. So you can frame the same answer, though the question language is changed, but the answer is same case. In the question number 1, who is Dr. Swati Mohan? It's the back exercise, and I have framed who is Dr. Swati Mohan and what was her role in Perseverance landing on Mars. So you can write the same answer. Dr. Swati Mohan is an Indian American scientist who was in charge of NASA's landing of its Perseverance rover on Mars. Question number 7. What is the significance of the muffled sound recorded and sent back by Perseverance? Answer. The muffled sound recorded and sent back by Perseverance was significant to the scientist, tracking the rover's every move. Question number 8. What could potentially be revealed by Perseverance's landing near a large crater? Answer. Perseverance landing near a large crater could potentially reveal remains of what looked like river deltas. Question number 9. Why are humans curious about Mars? Answer is humans are curious about Mars because it is similar to Earth and is a cosmic neighbor. Scientists are also searching for signs of water and life on the planet. Question number 10. What are some common themes in science fiction stories about Mars? Some common themes in science fiction stories about Mars include galactic travel and humans setting up colonies on the planet often. These stories involve aliens who look similar to humans. Question number 11. What are the key questions that real-life scientists are trying to answer about Mars? Scientists are investigating whether Mars has water and the potential for past or present life, as well as uncovering the mysteries of its history. Question number 12. How did the Perseverance rover land on Mars and what secret message was carried? Answer. Perseverance landed using a parachute and carried a hidden message, "Dear mighty things," in computer code, reflecting the rover's achievement and spirit. Question number 13. What significant contribution did the mini helicopter Ingenuity make to the Mars mission? Answer is Ingenuity, carried by Perseverance, is an experimental aircraft designed to demonstrate powered flight in Mars' thin atmosphere, showcasing the possibility of aerial exploration on the planet. Question number 14. What role did the Indian American Vanessa Rupani play in the Mars mission? Answer is Vanessa Rupani won a high school writing competition that led to the naming of the mini helicopter Ingenuity, highlighting her role in this historic endeavor. Question number 15. Who was responsible for designing the mini helicopter Ingenuity? Answer is Ingenuity was designed by Bob Balram, an Indian American engineer. Question number 16. What significant accomplishment did the Moxy tool achieve on Perseverance? Answer is on April 27, 2021, the Moxy tool on Perseverance successfully generated oxygen from the thin Martian atmosphere, demonstrating the potential for producing breathable air and fuel for rockets on Mars. Question number 17. What is the origin of Mars name and why was it associated with the concept of war? Answer. Mars is named after the Roman god of war. The ancient Romans linked the planet red color to blood and associated it with the war. Many ancient civilizations, including the Romans, had an interest in astronomy. Number 18. How does the gravity on Mars compare to that of Earth, and how was this considered in the design of the Marine Force spacecraft? Answer is Mars has about 1/3 the gravity of Earth. This means that on Mars one could jump over a car instead of walking around it. The design of NASA's Mariner 4 spacecraft sent to Mars in 1964 took this lower gravity into account for its flyby mission. Question number 19. How does the length of a day on Mars compare to that on Earth? Answer is a day on Mars is nearly as long as a day on Earth. Question number 20. What happens every 26 months in relation to the alignment of Earth and Mars? Answer is every 26 months Earth and Mars come close to each other, aligning in a straight line. This is when many Mars missions are launched. Question number 22. How long does it take to travel to Mars from Earth? The answer is traveling to Mars takes close to 8 months. Question number 22. Which was the first rover to land on Mars and who sent it? The answer is the first rover to land on Mars was the Prop M, a small robot sent by Russia in 1971. It survived less than 2 minutes. And the last question number 23. Which country besides the USA has successfully landed a rover on Mars and when did it enter Mars orbit? So the answer is China is the only other country to have successfully landed a rover on Mars. Its Zhurong rover entered Mars orbit on February 10th, 2021. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And please leave a comment down below. I would love to hear your thoughts on this video. Thank you so much.